Hi there, this is my first video filming of 2023, and it's a big one because I have 2 Dior bags to reveal. I was busy in January finding a lawyer for an eviction. I called every lawyer on Yelp. Not a sponsored video. I have a tenant who was supposed to have moved out at the end of November, hasn't, and refused to pay rent. Oh yeah, he's my ex-boyfriend and we broke up over a year ago. So that is why I couldn't post any videos. It's been stressful, and I had someone else who's been helping me through the stress. Perhaps a new man? A much younger man? Maybe. This is Cashmere. He's the new addition to the family. He's a 5-month-old French bulldog, and he doubled in size in 3 months. Cashmere, or Cash for short, has a part of my heart that no human can get to, not even a Chanel bag. Did I say it out loud? Oh well, that's the truth. Back to the topic of this video. My very first luxury purchase was actually a Dior bag in 2006. I just paid off all my student loans. Did I just age myself? And I wanted to treat myself. I saw a Dior bag on someone else and ran to the Dior store. John Galliano was designing at Dior, and at that time the gaucho bag style was in. Who remembers that? And guess what I chose? You will probably never guess. The Diorissimo multi-pocket kinda sporty hobo bag. It came out one season and it never came out again. I wouldn't be able to tell you why I chose this. I have no idea. It was $680 and I thought at the time I needed to buy the matching wallet, so I got one. I wore this less than 10 times. It didn't go with much. I do wish I did buy the original saddlebag instead. But it was not on my radar at all. And I'm not the only one who missed out on that. I have 5 luxury-loving friends, and none of us bought the saddlebag. We all made our own questionable, unexplainable, and regrettable luxury decisions. So I don't feel so bad. So these new purchases will be my 2nd and 3rd Dior bag. So wow, that took 17 years. Let's start with the small one, and I put her on the wish list 2 months ago. Can you guess? It's the 30 Montaigne in the micro bag size. So before you judge, this does fit a phone, and we'll get to that shortly. And I think she's absolutely gorgeous. So let's give her a twirl. You open this by pressing the button down here. Wow, that was easy. This has a single compartment, which I appreciate. It comes with a completely detachable and adjustable strap. Let's quickly look at all 5 30 Montaigne bag choices, and I'll answer the question why I chose this one. This is the original 13 Montaigne bag that debuted in 2019, and it came out in logo fabric and box calfskin. Then later, it was also available in the Ultramatte grained calfskin. By the way, 30 Montaigne is Dior's original address in 1946. On a first look, I thought, the CD logo is placed too low. This bag looks like it has a large forehead, which is not attractive to me at all. I'm not into receding imaginary bag hairlines. I want to take the logo and move it up to center it. Using Photoshop, this is how it would look if they fixed that. Well, it looks kind of weird with the extra space at the bottom now. Maybe that is what they thought because the next size down is the box bag and they fixed the big forehead thing. And this bag is the only one with the D-rings on each side. I can finally use my Dior strap that I bought last year. Perfect. Sold. I want it. I went to the store and it didn't look good on me at all. It looked even worse with my strap because the strap is casual and the bag is trying to be elegant. So it totally clashed. On a closer look, this bag looks best with a more simple one-color strap. The micro bag, the small size, was on display, so I tried it on. And this was exactly what I was looking for. Elegant. Statement without being obnoxious. And most important, timeless. At first, I didn't like the strap, but then I realized it goes perfectly with this bag. I plan to use this as a crossbody only. You could double the strap, but I don't like that look. The micro bag doesn't fit as much, but this box calfskin scratches easily, so I'd rather have one that is slimmer so it doesn't bump into things and get scuffs. This rose color with the gold hardware is a dream combination, but the retail price is $2,700. Totally bananas! By the way, I did not pay retail price. I bought this pre-loved, and I will get to the price later in the video. There are 2 more variations, and they came out with a chain on the leather strap. I found the chain too busy, so that was an easy no thank you. Here are all the prices, and here are all the sizes. Dior took this elegant bag and thought it needs a trendy, edgy sister. This is too classic, too timeless. We can't have that. They recently released the 30 Montaigne with handle. And yeah, it kinda looks like the S&M version of this bag. You know, to go with your leather chaps or your dominatrix latex outfit. And don't forget your safe word. No judgments. But was this version really necessary? There is nothing I like about this bag. Sorry. The question is, does this fit a phone? This is the iPhone mini. Let's see if this fits. The answer is yes, but it will not fit the iPhone Pro or the Pro Max. This bag is great for dinners, happy hour, events, like concerts and dancing because the bag doesn't get in the way. And that is how I use all my micro bags. Let's talk. How much did I save? And where did I buy this? The retail price is $2,700. As a comparison, this is the Chanel micro bag, and that was $1,850. In this case, the Chanel micro bag is cheaper. I never thought I would say that. The Chanel one is baby pink and more playful. The Dior is rose, and it's more sophisticated. The Dior logo is bigger and more shouty than the Chanel. So she is a statement. Yes, they are similar, but not the same bag for me. As pretty as the Dior one is, I was not willing to pay $2,700, so I had my eyes on the pre-loved market. This was listed in never worn condition on Vestiaire Collective. I got it for, wait for it, $1,600, so I saved $1,100. When I received this, it came with some flaws that were not mentioned. Scuff here and another scuff there on the back. I could have returned this, but I kept it because the price was so good and the issues were on the back. This is in box calfskin, and that scratches and scuffs easily. This bag is in better condition than the one I tried on at the Dior store. In this situation, I asked myself, is it worth paying an extra $1,100 more to get a bag without these issues? The answer for me was no. Before we get to the second unboxing, to support this channel, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. I bought this bag pre-loved 4 times now, and I finally succeeded. It's the Dior Ultramatte saddle. And let's give her a twirl. There's a back pocket. And here is the strap. This is magnetic. And that makes it easy to open and close. This is not a single compartment. It's actually split down the middle. This material, the Ultramatte calfskin, well, the essay at the store said, don't buy this leather. It's too high maintenance. You can't clean it. But this is the only saddlebag that I want. And I looked at all the newer models and the vintage models. This is it, or no saddlebag at all. The saddlebag is an odd kidney bean-shaped bag, and with the gold hardware, it's kinda busy to style. The black hardware gives it a clean look, and it emphasizes the saddle silhouette. I find this version more timeless. Well, as timeless as a saddlebag can get, and it goes with almost anything. I can use my strap with this bag, and the whole reason I started to get interested in this bag is because I want to use the strap. But I realized that I prefer this bag without a strap. The joke is kind of on me, but it's good to have a crossbody strap option. I will mostly use this bag as a top handle. On the shoulder is not flattering on me at all. I will continue to find a bag for the strap. Going on year 2. The question is, does this bag fit a phone? This is the iPhone Pro Max. Yes, it does fit a phone. The question is, how much did I save and where did I buy this? The retail price was $39.50 in early 2022, and by the end, the price went up to $42.50, but they included a matching crossbody strap. This bag is not in new condition. There are a few minor flaws. Scratch here, spot here, and a spot there. Knowing how delicate this leather is, after 6 months, I think this bag will look like this. These flaws are acceptable at the price that I paid. I paid, wait for it, $2,400, which means I saved $1,850 on the real. Wow, what a great deal. I do plan to do a more in-depth review in about 6 months. I just got both of these and I need some time to use them and report back to you if I think they're worth it or not, so stay tuned for that. Let's talk total savings. On both bags, I saved a combined amount of $29.50, which is 42%. I will need that to pay my eviction lawyer. I gotta be careful when signing with a lawyer because if it's not a flat rate, I could really get overbilled, like thousands and thousands of dollars, which I need for my handbag addiction. Priority, folks. Priority. A court date is set at the time of filming this video, so hopefully I can start posting videos on a more regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.